मेरी दादी क्या करती है इस सिचुएशन में, वो डट के आगे बढ़ जाती, शी से द तौबा तौबा.
I am like, this is her at 91.
Yeah, what they have achieved is next to impossible. And if you want to sing 2 lines for me.
No.
See my grandmother walk in the house, she just goes suddenly Kendi hai. Like she starts singing the hook line. Which for me is maximum validation कि मेरी दादी ने मेरा गाना appreciate किया है. I write in Hindi. So my dialect is in Devanagari. I don't write in English and translate it to Hindi. कि अपनी भाषा सीखो, अपनी भाषा में बात करना सीखो, कैसे होना है. तो एक बार वो हिंदी पे पकड़ आ गई. Gives me constant advice. Every second minute she will tell me something which is just, I to feel very lucky to have it.
Hi, this is Bhavna and you're watching India Today. Well, the first time I heard that Asha Bhosle's granddaughter is making her debut, I had a lot of reservations and a lot of expectations, and guess what? Zanai Bhosle here has shattered all that expectations in a good way. For me, after hearing her debut song Kendi Ni, Kendi, isn't it Ni?
No, it's
Kendi. Oh,
Kendi
Kendi
Hai,
Hai, correct.
yeah.
So Kendi Hai. I have heard it. I have had the privilege of hearing it, and I absolutely loved it. So, firstly, a huge welcome to Showbiz and to India Today.
Thank you.
Firstly, how are you?
I am good.
Listen, you have such a infectious energy. Firstly, I have to tell you that you are amazing at what you do. Heard the song, I really enjoyed it. The reason why I say it was unexpected is because when I heard that, oh, Asha Bhosle's granddaughter is coming up with something like this, I expected it to be more indie, more classical, more in that space. But this was like a nice Punjabi Hindi pop song.
Yeah.
I was like, oh, are we sure this is coming from the Bhosle legacy? Tell me, was it a conscious choice to sort of like debut with a song which is so different as per what one would expect you to come up with?
So, honestly, I would say that art is limitless, right? You never know what's going to happen to you. So, when I first started making Kendi Hai, it was just something that happened to me like a miracle. Because when I went to the studio, I was just feeling like, okay, today I'm feeling like I want to explore an opera side and a sort of English version mixed with Hindi. How would that sound?
Yeah.
What if you put the Western world and the Indian music together? What would that be? That was a question for me. And because I am a trained opera singer as well, I've trained 4 years in Switzerland, it was just a fascinating thing for me. और पता है, honestly, जब Kendi Hai हुआ, मुझे ही नहीं पता था मैंने क्या बनाया. Like, I was like, it was something which was so unexpected to me, my dad, my grandmother. It was almost as if God had like been like, this is a miracle, here you go, I'm putting this tune in your head and just see what you can do with it. That was how it was made. That is how it was made. But I am so thankful to have that tune come into my head, because that is one of the most special moments for me as an artist. To make this song. And I hope that as you heard it, you enjoyed it. I hope everyone just, like enjoys it the same way.
I think they will. I think they will.
I hope so.
Because it kind of like, it has that feature wherein you will start humming it once you hear it once or twice, So it is one
I
want to
ask you in the end if you want to sing 2 lines for me.
No, because I do want to shatter the bit of image that I have, because my voice is not as Sulila. That's why we have you to fill that void. But I want to know, what was the reaction? Like you said, that they were all kind of like happy and also pleasantly surprised when the tune came to you when they heard the song, right? Tell me, what was when you actually went to them with the final output? What was the word of appreciation or feedback that you got?
So this entire melody happened in 1 day. The
Wow.
song was done in a day.
Okay.
We had a basic scratch track, which I went home and I asked my dad and grandmother, like I was really shy. I went to them and said, मैंने कुछ बनाया है, आप सुन लो, अगर अच्छा लगेगा तो आगे बनाएंगे. पर बेसिक मेलोडी थी वहाँ पे. कैंडी है ये हुक लाइन था और मेलोडी थी वहाँ पे. एंड माय आइडिया वाज, घर जाओ पूछ लो उनसे कि उनको क्या लगता है. और दे थॉट हाँ मतलब कुछ बनाया होगा इसलिए चलो सुन लेते क्या बनाया है. मैं तो बहुत डर डर के गई थी आगे. and suddenly I played it and I saw a light smile on my dad and my grandmother's face. मतलब थोड़ी थोड़ी हंसी आ रही थी कि मतलब खुशी थी कि ये अच्छा गाना है और डर डर के
sense of
पूछा
validation
हाँ हाँ
आ
थोड़ा
गया।
सा वैलिडेशन आ गया था और even now sometimes when I see my grandmother walk in the house she just goes suddenly kendi hai like she starts singing the hook line which for me is maximum validation कि मेरी दादी ने मेरा गाना appreciate किया है she's heard it she's
Yeah,
singing
true,
it
true.
it was amazing
Yeah.
even now she suddenly goes kendi hai so I'm like okay but हाँ मतलब that was the journey but I also like think that I'm so blessed to have some inbuilt structure in
Yeah.
me which you know shows me the path to music
Yeah.
like it really did
Yeah.
I think music is a blessing
It is.
मेरे-
For
मेरा
those who are
journey-
blessed like this, it is a blessing. Like we wish we had that kind of a blessing, but I guess then we have good ears because then we can appreciate good music.
yes वो लिसनर भी होना चाहिए ना हम गाते ही रहेंगे अगर आप नहीं सुनते हो हमें तो कौन सुनेगा
सभी गाने लग जाएंगे तो सुनेगा कौन?
एग्जैक्टली सुनना भी चाहिए
Exactly.
किसी को भी सुनना चाहिए
I mean, that is how I console myself for not having that kind of a voice. But you know, Zanay, I want to know, you had your schooling, you had different kind of schooling when it
बिल्कुल।
comes to music as well.
जी।
And to then come here and sing in Hindi, also, I don't know, in today's time and age, I think increasingly we are seeing a trend where the language or the dialect or the way it is being presented is kind of changing. And I'm not saying this in the most good way. Sometimes
जी,
it's
जी।
like people don't know where the language is going and
बिल्कुल।
getting lost because we are
बिल्कुल।
getting inspired a lot by West, which is a
जी,
good thing.
जी।
But also the flip side to it is this. But आपकी हिंदी सही है.
thank you
I want to know how important is it? Is it something that was again like inbuilt in your system because you know you have a legacy to sort of like follow?
बहुत सही सवाल पूछा है आपने बिकॉज why my Hindi I write in Hindi so my dialect is in Devanagari I don't write in English and translate it to Hindi
Oh, you
I actually write it in
wow,
Hindi
okay.
so ये हुआ because जब मैं लॉकडाउन से वापस आई थी तब I had very very good mentors who really taught me just they went through Hindi with me again कि
Okay.
अपनी भाषा सीखो अपनी भाषा में बात करना सीखो
Correct.
कैसे होना है तो एक बार वो हिंदी पे पकड़ आ गई फिर राइटिंग बिकम्स वेरी इजी
Absolutely, yes.
यू नो तो और मुझे तो घर पे सिखाया गया था माई ग्रैंड मॉम कीप्स टेलिंग मी कि स्पष्ट भाषा में बात करो मतलब स्पष्ट मराठी का शब्द है पर स्पष्ट इज क्लियर मतलब साफ भाषा में बात करो और गाओ तो भी साफ भाषा में आपको समझ आना चाहिए कि मैं क्या गा रही हूँ नहीं तो अगर आप सिर्फ जल्दी जल्दी गाना शुरू करें एंड इफ यू स्टार्ट ईटिंग द वर्ड्स
Yeah.
यू विल नॉट अंडरस्टैंड द सॉन्ग वाइब विद द सॉन्ग एनर्जी नहीं समझ आएगी जैसे हमारा जो पहला अंतरा है चेहरा तेरा ही मैं देखूं इन सितारों में ये सुंदर सा लाइन है बहुत सुंदर लाइन है अगर आपको ही समझ ना आए कि मैंने क्या कहा है तो फिर
Correct.
क्या फायदा गाने का
Correct.
सो वी हैव टू मेक श्योर एट लीस्ट फॉर मी आई हैव
Yeah.
बीन told that this is how
No,
you
but that's
have to do
actually a
it.
very valid point that you make, that if you don't know what you're singing, you will never feel it, and if you don't feel it, it will never
Express
resonate with.
it.
Yeah, that's
अगर
true.
मैं ही मेरा गाना express ना कर पाऊँ for you, why would you listen to it and
Yeah.
say, oh, I like this
Absolutely.
song? आपको भी समझना
No,
चाहिए
that's
ना.
a very, very important piece of advice, and I think you're kind of blessed to have that
Very blessed.
in the beginning of your career because a lot of times people don't have that. You know?
Yeah.
Can I
I
say
agree.
that this is one of the best piece of advice that you've received from Asha ji, because I can only expect her to guide you and like.
She
help you.
gives me constant advice. Every second minute she will tell me something which is just, I to feel very lucky to have it
Absolutely.
with me.
Absolutely. But also, in your debut song itself, you're not just the singer, you've also composed it and you've also written the song. Tell me, just dabbling between different hats, in your debut project itself, can be little tiring, exhausting, rewarding, yes, but at the same time, because you're also nervous how people are going to react to it, how do you sort of balance all of these emotions together and yet ensure that you're delivering your best?
It is beyond exhilarating. It's like so tiring, but when you decide that you want to do something,
Yeah.
जैसे कि मेरी दादी ने मुझे कहा है कि जब तुम डिसाइड करो कि ये तुम्हें करना है तो वो काम 100% करना है और दिन आएंगे जब तबीयत खराब होगी, like today I have a sore throat, I have a spoiled voice, very tired. But when you hear advice like that, what they went through when they struggled and they got to where they got to, if she is my inspiration, then for me I'm not even doing 1/4 of what she did and what she struggled. तो जब मैं सोचती हूँ कि आज मैं थक गई या बहुत बुरा, मतलब दिन इतना लंबा जा रहा है, क्या करूँ मैं, I'm like okay, what would आशाई do? मेरी दादी क्या करती इस सिचुएशन में? वो डट के आगे बढ़ जाती. She'd be like no, I want to do this, क्योंकि काम अधूरा नहीं छोड़ना है.
Absolutely.
So for me it's a mental game. Physically you can be dead, but if your mind tells you that you can do it, and you really can do it, you will be able to do it.
Absolutely.
ऐसे कुछ नहीं होगा जो आप मतलब हासिल नहीं कर सकते हो.
I mean, she's still singing on
At
stage.
91.
Yeah, like I recently saw a video where she was singing Tauba.
Did you see the Tauba?
Yeah, I'm like, this is her at 91.
Yeah.
That pitch at 91.
So if you have people like this around you who inspire you all the time, can you imagine what kind of energy I must be having to take
absolutely. I mean, it's a blessing, like you said.
It's them.
But is there also a sense of nervousness somewhere, because you know that people, anything you do, at least in the first 2 or 3 years, they will always equate it to everything that Asha ji has done or even Lata ji has done, because they all 100%. Come from that legacy, right? Is there a sense of like nervousness around that?
To be honest, none of us, and I talk for a lot of people, when I say that what they have achieved is next to impossible. Like, it's like there were like, God said you are God's child and they sent them down here. So for anybody to be compared to them would just be impossible. Absolutely. Nobody can be compared to them. They are on a standing of their own, which they have got on their own, and the respect is tremendous.
Yeah.
So for me, even as a child, I've always thought that if I can just do something which makes them proud, which makes my parents proud, which makes my dadi proud, for me, I have achieved what I have achieved in life. If people like my music, agar aap, you start grooving to it, if you enjoy it, that's the biggest happiness I can get from something. और बाकी का मतलब जिनको पसंद है, आएगा, जिनको नहीं पसंद है वो भी होगा, पर मैं चाहती हूँ कि पूरे दिल से कि people just hear this music and truly just look at the music part of it. Yeah. Just feel it.
I think what is going to help you is also the fact that you've never been in media so much, right? So
very
I think,
protected.
So I feel like it will be a very clean slate for you,
Bilkul.
Because the first time they hear you is with your music. Bilkul. So there is no additional or excess baggage that comes with it, and they are going to judge you basis purely your music.
I feel every artist should just be judged with what they put forward.
Yeah.
मतलब आप जो भी हो, आपका काम, your work should establish who you are.
Absolutely, yeah.
And for me, biggest thing in Kendi was, does this showcase who I am? And for me, I can proudly say this is 100% who I am. ये मेरी ही आवाज है, मेरे texture में है, मेरे tone में है, मुझे मजा आता है गाने में. तो वो मजा अगर मैं आपको दे पाऊँ, if I can translate that happiness into you, and if I can get a smile on your face, I'm very happy with my song.
Yeah.
I just hope that everyone else feels.
I can see that happiness, it kind of radiates, and I think it only comes from a place where you know that you have done your best, and you're very happy with the project that, like, with the song that you have made, and I think that nothing can compare to that happiness.
It can't. It's a special feeling when, even when I receive somebody's messages saying they've heard the preview and उनको बहुत पसंद आया और वो गाना शुरू करते, groove करना शुरू करते ऊपर, I feel inside like मन में लड्डू फूटा. It's like, yeah, I'm so happy. I'm like a schoolgirl who's like jumping in her head up down, like, yeah, people have liked my song.
You always want to be a singer, like you grew up thinking that this is what I want to be eventually?
I think there was a certain phase when I was just obsessed with being a singer, and then there was a phase in which I was like, I want to try acting too, and suddenly I think last year everything just came together because इतने साल बस वो काम करते करते, so many experiences to be on stage with my grandmother, दूसरे लोगों से बातचीत करते हुए, इतना सारा कुछ, मतलब इतने सारे experiences मिल गए कि suddenly everything became like, okay, मैं acting भी कर लेती हूँ, गाना भी गा लेती हूँ, ठीक ठाक वैसे कंपोज भी कर लेती हूँ, तो देखते हैं अब क्या होता है. There's no कि यही करना है कि वही करना है, बस सब कुछ करना है.
सब कुछ करना है.
सब कुछ करना है.
But that's a great thing. And in today's time, too, especially because I feel like audiences are very much receptive about seeing an artist in doing different things. Like ऐसा नहीं है कि ये सिर्फ ये करेंगे.
I think the word is versatility.
Yeah, it is.
So, as a child, I grew up hearing my grandmother's songs, and they were very versatile.
Yeah.
कि ये हस्की गाना भी गा सकती है टोन में, शी कैन डू दम मारो दम, शी कैन डू चुरा लिया, शी कैन डू गजल, शी कैन डू एवरीथिंग.
That's so true.
तो जब आप
Yeah.
देखते हो कि ठीक है शायद मैं सिंगिंग के एस्पेक्ट से इतना सारा कर नहीं सकती हूँ, पर एक्टिंग में भी मुझे मजा आता है. मुझे आई एम ट्रेन्ड कथक क्लासिकल डांसर, दैट इज समथिंग आई एंजॉय. गाने में भी है, तो बेस्ट फुट फॉरवर्ड एंड एवरीथिंग.
But you know, I am also curious to know, like you said that you want to jumble and like probably dabble between different hats, and you're very open to that.
Bilkul.
Does that also include playback singing? Because I mean,
100%.
okay,
100%. Good music is good music. It doesn't matter if it's playback or if it's independent artist or if it's a collab with someone. I believe that you have to do good work, and any song which comes my way, which I feel like I can do justice to
Yeah.
this, will 100% do it. There's
okay.
no
Is
limit.
there anyone you want to play back for? Like maybe in future, like कोई bucket list होती है?
ये ना आपने उल्टा सवाल पूछा है. I actually want my grandmom to give playback to me. That is my wish.
Wow.
That is my wish. So at some point, hopefully in the future, in a film I do, I would love for her to give playback to me. ये मेरा
That
मतलब
would be
सपना है
That would be a dream come true, actually.
Yeah,
right?
it
like
would. It really
yeah,
would.
Yeah.
कि दो जनरेशन दादी और ग्रैंड डॉटर
Yeah.
एक गाने में. I mean, I would love to honor. It would be an honor to.
That also means that she's open to a lot of Bollywood projects. So I think directors should just take notice, because of course she's pretty, she's so talented. She'll also sing in the same movie, so you're saving that cost as well. So it's a full talent package here, right? But it is true, right? Like, and she has an infectious smile.
So do you. I'm not gonna lie. So do you.
Same with me. I can't stop when I start laughing. So
It's okay.
okay, we'll calm down.
Compose.
Okay,
Shanti.
yeah. But I'm also curious to know because in the last decade itself, or actually 2 decades,
Right.
we have seen a lot of remixes of songs, especially sung by Asha ji as well. पहले थोड़े अच्छी तरीके से होते थे. अब I don't know, people are divided over remixes. As a musician now yourself, because you're entering the industry, what is your take on it? Are you okay with remixes, and to what extent are you okay with it?
So I don't personally find a problem with remixing. In fact, my grandmother's only said this, that क्या है ना कि वो remix जब हम इस जमाने पे बनाते हैं,
Yeah.
तो it popularizes the song.
Yeah.
It
Yeah.
makes it popular again. So what happens is that it then also that music and that art goes out to so many more
Absolutely.
people.
Yeah, yeah.
So it shouldn't be restricted.
Yeah.
However, there are some things which take it to another level. When you change the lyrics and you make them
Yeah.
a little, which really
Raunchy
aren't.
sometimes.
Yeah, when you make it a little different to what the
It is
original
original,
song
yeah.
is, then I feel that
Yeah.
someone should have a slight problem with that.
If you could remix a song of your dadi, which one would you be confident to even touch?
I think the only one which I would even think of daring to do would be there's this song of hers called "Tum Jaisno Ko To Payal Mein Bandh Lo."
Wow.
It's a lovely song. Okay, it's really fantastic, and she's sung it in a modern jazzy style, and that's so my type of music. That's the one which I would say, okay, I'm gonna go towards this and try and remake this in my own way. Yeah,
Wow, I would
that's-
look forward to that
Yeah,
someday.
yeah, okay.
Yeah, I would. And which song do you wish no one ever touches?
That's a tough one. I feel
At
like
least
all
one
of them
song.
have been
Kind
already
of like-
touched. I don't think there's one which no one ever touches.
But I think Intaha Ho Gaye Intezar Ki. That has not
that's
been.
a phenomenal song.
Yeah, that has not been touched so
Fantastic
far.
song.
You know?
Fantastic
Don't
song.
touch it, please. Please don't touch it. but again, I like on a parting note, I want to ask you, like, you know, I see a lot of influence of modern yet very rooted you know, music because of the family that you come
Right.
from, and also because of the schooling that you have had. And I feel like you could be that bridge who is bridging both this culture and bringing out new music from that.
I think you could really be that. Not just me, I think anyone can
Yeah.
do that. Because if you're just even slightly, moderately trained
Yeah.
in, you know, a little bit of classical, and you understand it, not even classical, but Hindi music per se, and if you're trained in a little bit of Western music,
Yeah.
you can make it happen.
Yeah.
Because what you essentially would be doing is, you're taking the language, which is purely Hindi,
Yeah.
and you're just adding a different feel to the song. That's what Kendiya is. It's
Yeah.
a Hindi
Yeah.
song with a hook line of Punjabi, and it's a modernly produced song.
Yeah,
The melody is modern. It's about how the composer thinks. You could do it. Honestly, if even a person is like trained a little bit here and there, they could do it. And
Right.
I think it's a really nice place to explore as well right now.
Absolutely, because I think not many people have the knowledge of both of them. There is a stark difference between how Hindi
There
music
is.
is produced
is.
and is sung versus
is.
how Western music is done, right?
But you know, you can always learn.
Yeah.
Knowledge is not, you don't have an age that
Absolutely.
मैं अभी सीख सकती हूँ. My grandmom learns at 91. She actually
True.
learns at this age. So you can just learn it.
Yeah.
And it's like any person, I'm telling you, people are so good nowadays
Yeah.
with technology, production. कहाँ से गाने निकल रहे हैं, सुंदर गाने भी निकल रहे हैं, you know, very very nice songs. So accumulating that together and truly believing that this is your style, this is your individual. Like Kendi Hai is my individualistic song. Siddhant and I give kudos, like a lot of credit to him, because he has, you know, understood production in LA.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
he knows what he's doing. I know what I'm doing. So
yeah.
that balance came together very beautifully.
Yeah, yeah.
So that I think also requires team effort. I couldn't say that this song is just mine, because it's equally his.
Yeah.
It's equally जिसने लिखा है उसको मतलब मदद किया है लिखने में. हमने बस थोड़ा guide किया ऊपर से. But everyone has collaboratively come and made
There's
this song.
nothing that can be achieved
Alone.
in silo.
बिल्कुल नहीं हो
That's
सकता.
that's
कोई
a
नहीं
given,
सकता.
right? Like
नहीं.
it is a team effort, but also the amount of effort that you've put in, I want to appreciate that, because I feel like often we see that people take legacy for granted.
बहुत
I'm
सारा
so
काम किया है इसमें.
I'm so glad that you haven't, and you have actually worked really hard for it. And I hope that you get a lot of success going forward.